Good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to all of you in your maths class. Today we will do revision of chapter 5. Okay? So dear all, open your book, take out your revision copy and pencil. Okay? So, I am right here, your subject, maths, revision work, which chapter? Chapter 5, numbers up to 20. Numbers up to 20. Now, what is the date today? 3rd November 2020. So, in this chapter, first we will revise number names 11 to 20. So, I am going to write here number names 11 to 20, and dear all, please you all repeat with me. Okay? So, number names. So, first number is 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. So, I am going to read it again. You all repeat with me. Number names 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. 15. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. So, moving forward, I am going to solve one exercise from this chapter, Match 8. So, write down it in your copy. So, I am going to draw here some balls, and we will match the correct number of balls with number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I am going to write here 12. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So I am going to write here 14. Question number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I am going to write here 16. Question number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I am going to write here 18. So again we will count the balls and we will match the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So where is 11? Sorry, where is 12? This is. So we will match it here. Again I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So we will match it here. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So where is 14? This is. So we will match it here. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So where is 16? This is 16. So we will match it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is 18. So we will match it here. So dear all, you will first learn number names. Okay. So moving forward in this chapter. Okay. Next question is question number 1. Circle the largest number. Circle the largest number. So I am going to write here some numbers and you will circle the largest number. So first is 19, 12, 15. Second is 18, 20, 12. Third is 15, 17, 11. And fourth one is 12, 13, 18. Now next, question number 2. Circle the smallest number. Question number 1, 19, 12, 15. Question number 2, 18, 17, 11. Question number 3, 15, 17, 20. Question number 4, 12, 11, 10. So, circle the largest number. First question is 19, 12, 15. So, in this number, which one is the largest number? 19. 19 is the largest number. So, we will circle it. In this number 18, 20, 12, which one is the largest number? 20. So, we will circle it. In this 15, 17, 11, which one is the largest number? 17. So, we will circle it. In 12, 13, 18, which one is the largest number? 12. No. 13. No. Which one is the largest number? 18. 18 is the largest number. Okay. Now next question. Circle the smallest number. 19, 12, 15. So which one is the smallest number? 15, 12, 19. 19? No. Smallest number 15? No. 12 is the smallest number. Circle the smallest number 18, 17, 11. So which one is the smallest number? 11 is the smallest number. Next, smallest number 15, 17, 20. 20? No. 17? No. 15 is the smallest number. So you will circle it. Circle the smallest number 12, 11, 10. Which one is the smallest number? 10 is correct answer. It is the smallest number in these three numbers. So I am going to repeat it again. Circle the largest number 19, 12, 15, 19. Circle the largest number 18, 20, 12, 20. Circle the largest number 15, 17, 11, 17. Circle the largest number 12, 13, 18, 18. Circle the smallest number 19, 12, 15, 12. Circle the smallest number 18, 17, 11, 11. Circle the smallest number 15, 17, 20, 15. Circle the smallest number 12, 11, 10. 10 is the smallest number. Now moving forward in this chapter, next question. So you all write it in your revision copy. Write the number that comes just before. Write the number that comes just before. Write the number that comes just before. So 19, 15, 17, 12, 11, 20. So we will write here the number that comes just before. So what will come before 19? 18. So we will write here 18. 15 before number 14. So what we will write here? 14. What we will come? 17 before 16. So we will write here 16. Write the number that comes just before 12. What we will write here? 11. 11 comes just before 12. Which number comes just before 11? It is 10. And before 20, it is 19. 19 will come. Now, question number 2. Write the number that comes between. Write the number that comes between. Write the number that comes between. So, first question is 11, 13, 14, 16, 12, 14, 13, 15, 17, 19, 18, 20. So which number will come? So here write the number that comes between 11 and 13. So what you will write here? 12. Write the number that comes between 14 and 16. What you will write here? 15. Write the number that comes between 12 and 14. What you will write here? 13. 13 and 15. So what you will write here? 14. Now next question. Write the number that comes between 17 and 19. It is 18. And between 18 and 20 it is 19. Very good. Now next question. Question number 3. Write the number that comes write the number that comes just after. So, which number we are going to solve here? Write the number that comes just after. So, after 13, after 8, after 17, after 9, after 12, after 16. So here, write the number that comes just after. So after 13, 14, after 8, 9, after 17, 18, after 9, 10, after 12, 13, and after 16 it is 17. So here you can see it very carefully, okay, and you will solve it in your revision copy. Going to repeat it. Write the number that comes just before. So before 19, 18, before 15, 14, before 17, 16, before 12, 11, before 11, 10, before 20, 19. Now next question. Question number 2. Write the number that comes between the two numbers. So here, between 11 and 13, 12. Between 14 and 16, 15. Between 12 and 14, 13. Between 13 and 15, 14. Between 17 and 19, 18. Between 18 and 20, 19. So, next question, question number 3. Write the number that comes just after. After. So, after means next number. So, after 13, 14 will come. After 8, 9 will come. After 17, 18 will come. After 9, 10 will come. After 12, 13 will come. And after 16, 17 will come. So, after this explanation of this chapter, I am going to give you a revision worksheet. You will solve it by yourself. Okay? So, dear students, I am going to give you this revision worksheet. So, all of you open your revision copy, write down and solve it. Revision worksheet chapter 5. Okay. Question number 1. Write the number 12. Write the number 12. Write the number 12. Options are 2, 12, 3, 1. So, which one is the correct answer? You will take. Write the number 15. So, which one is correct answer? 5, 50, 15, 4. Option. Question number 3. Write the number 20. First option is 2. Second option is 12. Third option is 13 and 4 option is 20. Question number 4. Write the number 1, 10 and 5 ones. 50, 5, 15 and option 4 is 25. Okay. Question number 5. What comes just before 15? So what comes just before 15? Options are 14, option 2, 13, option 3, 16 and option 4, 17. Now next question. What comes just after 17? Just after 17. So options are 18, option 2, 19, 3, 20, 25. Question number 7. What comes between? What comes between 18 and 20? So options are 18, option 2 19, option 3 20 and option 4 21. So next question, question number 8. What comes just before 19? What comes just before 19? Options are 17, option 2, 18, option 3, 19 and option 4 is 20. Option 4 is 20. So I am going to repeat it again. If you have any confusion, you can clear here. Write the number 12, 2, 12, 3, 1. Write the number 15, 5, 50, 15, 4. Write the number 20, 2, 12, 13, 20. Write the number 1, 10 and 5 ones. 50, 5, 15 and 25. Okay. You have to take correct one. In this question you will take only one. In all question you will take only one option. Now next. What comes just before 15? Before 15 means previous number of 15. So 14, 13, option 1 14, option 2 13, option 3 16 and option 4 17. And you have to take correct one. Now next question. What comes just after 17? After 17. So after 17, option 1 18, option 2 19, option 3 20 and option 4 25. Now next, what comes between 18 and 19? So options are option first 18, option 2 19, option 3 20 and option 4 21. What comes just before 19? Just before 19. So options are option 4, option 1, 17, option 2, 18, option 3, 19 and option 4, 20. You have to do it in your copy and you will take the correct answer. Okay. So dear students, I hope you have done this worksheet. So I am going to take the correct answer. You will match the answer with your worksheet which you have already done. So here you can see, write the number 12. So option 2 is 12. Correct option. Write the number 15. So 5, 50, 15, 4. So option 3, F-I-F-T-E-E-N, 15 is correct option. So write the number 20. 2, 12, 13, 20. So 20 is the correct option. Write the number 1, 10 and 5 ones. 50, 5, 15, 25. So 15 is the correct answer. So now moving to next question. Question number 5. What comes just before 15? Just before 15. So what comes just before 15? 14. Option 1 is 14. So it is correct answer. 13, 16, 17 is not. Now next, question number 6. What comes just after 17? Just after means next number of 17. So what comes just after 17? It is 18, 19, 20, 25. So it is 18. 18 is the correct option. What comes between 18 and 20? Option 1, 18. Option 2, 19. Option 3, 20. And option 4, 21. So what comes between 18 and 19? It's a 19. So you will take second option. 19 is the correct answer. Now last question of this worksheet. What comes just before 19? So which number will come just before 19? So it is 17. It is 18. It is 19 or it is 20. So which number? So what comes just before 19? It's a 18. 18 is the correct number. Dear all, if you have done this worksheet, please check your answers from here. Okay? And do practice of this question again and again for good performance in your half-yearly examination. Okay. Now, thank you. Have a nice day.